Hello there, Forex traders. Welcome to Admiral Markets. This is a special bonus. And why? Well, we're going to take a look at these things. We're going to take a look at the wave count. That's something new that I provide for Admiral Markets, and I think you're going to love it. But also two trade ideas regarding the dollar yen and the AUDUSD. One a upside continuation and one a breakout, in fact. And last but not least, a bonus indicator that you get for free of charge if you register on any Wednesday or Thursday for Admiral Markets webinars. So that's valid for the remainder of the entire October, so still 2 weeks, any Wednesday or Thursday. Of course, before we do that, as always, the risk disclaimer explaining that trading foreign exchange is considered high risk and may not be suitable for all investors. Please seek the advice of an independent financial advisor for more information on that, and this webinar is for educational purposes only. Please pause the video to read the entire disclaimer, and I do thank you for your attention on that. So with no longer ado, let's head over to AM website. Now, as always, I just wanted to mention that we have live webinars here at Admiral Markets. Special recap is today on Monday, but we have live intraday trading on Tuesday, trend live trading on Wednesday, and Thursday range and reversal trading, and Thursday also a webinar trend definition at its best. So the usual program here, but if we look at what I wanted to show you was the wave analysis. Go to analytics, wave analysis, and you'll find that wave analysis of mine, and you can take a look at the count of the euro dollar, pound dollar, and dollar yen for more information for your trading. Alrighty, and one of those ideas is in fact based on the wave analysis in the sense that we have the dollar yen here, and I was doing the count, and a interesting idea popped in my mind, because if you look at the count, it definitely looks like a wave 3 at the moment. It could be a 1, 2, and then another 1, 2, and this is wave 3, and we can go down for wave 4 and up for wave 5. This entire structure, the breakout of this falling wedge, which was highlighted by the green lines with the divergence and the completion of maybe wave 4 triangle here for upside, is definitely playing out. We don't have a full-fledged confirmation as yet, but we definitely have space to the upside. If you look at the daily chart, you can see a green line there at the tops. Well, that will be a resistance line, of course, when we do get there. So if we then zoom into the 4-hour chart, you can see there's space maybe to that trend line. About 100 to 1 is the target here of the price. So we have that potential idea. So if you then look to the 1-hour chart, and what we're looking for is a retracement, in fact, to the 382 fib, and a bounce off the 382 fib up to the targets, and it may be up to the 100 even, up to the top of that green line, top of the wedge as well. So the idea is a bounce off the 382 fib. The 382 is 98. In fact, price should not go below 97.47, which is the top of wave 1. If it does, the whole wave count is invalidated. So that's something I'm looking for, is basically a bounce off 98 and price not going under or below 97.40, in fact, with a target of 100. So that's a good almost 4-to-1 trade there if you were interested in that, and that's the one I'm looking at right now. Now, idea number 2 is in fact on the AUDUSD, and we've had pretty aggressive up move and uptrends on this with some correction right in here, but we are breaking and continuing to the upside, and in fact we're almost pushing through this orange line, so that could definitely be an interesting breakout trade right in here, the target of which is 97. That is the minus 272 right at 97, but it's also the 50 fib of the entire down move. If we go to the daily chart and put a fib on this entire down move, where is 50 fib? Right at the minus 272. So if we break out above that orange line, we could see the continuation of the AUDUSD to the upside for another roughly 200 pips. So let's zoom into that breakout. We got the trend line here, and we need a push above this 94.80 to get that confirmation. A push above, of course, the daily top would be pleasant as well. I can go to the 4-hour chart. A push above this 95 level would also indicate the continuation, 95.28 to be exact, of the bullish count here on the AUDUSD. So some breakout trade opportunities of the AUD up to 97. Well, that wraps up our weekly overview. You know where to get the wave analysis. You can see how that's useful for the dollar yen. And the AUD is just an extra idea there. Don't forget the bonus indicator if you register on Wednesday or Thursday, live trading webinars. So looking forward to see you there. This is the schedule once again for our educational webinars and live trading webinars at Admiral Markets. Just in case you are wondering, here's the spread as well. And don't forget the social media. Thanks. I'm looking forward to see you in those live webinars, and I wish you all great trading. Cheers, everyone.